You may have picked up Prison Break-In from Magus Wardine Voidglare at Tarren Mill in Hillsbrad Foothills. This quest will send you to Lord Amir Internment Camp in the southwest corner of Alterock Mountains, south of the Dalaran Bubble. You can get there by heading west from Tarren Mill, and then heading north once you reach Hillsbrad Fields. Here you will have to find and defeat 4 named NPCs. These NPCs range between level 33 and 35. They are all yellow and will not aggro until you attack them. However, you will have to clear out a few nearby mobs and patrols. Richter can be found in the yard of the fenced-in area. Dermot and Alina can be found inside the house within the fenced-in area. And Keegan Darkmar can be found on the second floor in the house outside the fenced-in area. You will loot a bloodstone from each of the defeated NPCs. Then we will return to Magus Voidglare in Tarren Mill. Turn in the quest, and you will receive the option to pick up another quest called Dalaran Patrols. If you found this guide helpful, show us some love down below in the comments. And you might want to consider joining the channel with a monthly membership. Memberships begin at $2.99 and are a great way to show your support. You can also earn exclusive perks like early access to videos before they're released to the general public. And in Phase 2, we're definitely going to have a lot more runes to discover. And you're going to want to follow this channel so we can help you find those runes. So do yourself a favor and smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we release new videos. This is Man Bear Cow signing out, saying thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.